Hello dear students. Today we will solve some problems in a ray optics. Okay. So one problem is there. A object is placed 10 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of a radius of a curvature 15 centimeter. Find the position, nature and magnification of the image. Okay, so here concave mirror is there. Object is placed 10 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Okay, suppose so this one is a concave mirror and this one is a principal axis. Okay, in question, object is placed 10 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Okay, object placed 10 centimeter. So this one is object and the distance of object we consider that 10 centimeter. It means u is equal to 10 centimeter from a pole of a concave mirror. So this object distance we consider that a negative. Why? Because it is opposite to the incident ray. Next one. So this concave mirror radius of curvature is a 15 centimeter. Okay. So here we consider that center of curvature. From center of curvature to pole of a mirror, so that's when we consider that a radius of a curvature. Okay, so this radius of a curvature r is equal to 15 centimeter. Radius of curvature 15 centimeter. Okay, so here we want to find out position, nature and magnification of the image. Position, nature and magnification of the image. Okay, so here we want to find out position, nature and magnification of the image. Okay, magnification formula m is equal to minus v divided by u. Yes, so m means a magnification and v we consider that image distance and u is a object distance. So object distance already given. We want to find out image distance. By using this image distance, we have to calculate a magnification value. So this reason here the given data. So given first one is a object distance. U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Why we consider that minus 10 centimeter? Minus 10 centimeter because object placed in front of a concave mirror. It means a distance always measured from a pole of a mirror. It is opposite to the incident ray. So this reason U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Next one. Radius of a curvature r is equal to 15 centimeter. So radius of curvature 15 centimeter. Next one. So we want to find out a image distance. So this reason v is equal to question mark. Afterwards magnification value m is equal to question mark. Okay, so first we want to find out a image distance. Okay. So before going to find out image distance, we consider that one formula. So that's one is a mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. 1 by f, it means 1 by focal length. It means we want a focal length of this concave mirror. How to find out a focal length of a concave mirror? So here, so given that curvature is a 15 centimeter. So this one is a hint. Okay, so curvature is a 15 centimeter. You already know that radius of a curvature is nothing but 2 times of a focal length. Radius of curvature is equal to 2 times of a focal length. Okay, so focal length So focal length f is equal to r divided by 2. F is equal to r divided by 2. Okay, so here given that radius of curvature 15 centimeter. So this reason, so focal length f is equal to, so r value 15 divided by 2. Yes, so 15 divided by 2, it means 7.5 centimeter. So focal length is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so focal length of a concave mirror. Suppose here we consider that this one is a focal length. F is equal to 7.5 centimeter. F is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so this one is a opposite to the direction of incident ray. So this reason, so this focal length we consider that in a negative order. So this reason here focal length we consider that a minus. Why? Because it is opposite to the direction of incident ray. In concave mirror, so focal length always we consider that a negative. Okay, so here we get a focal length minus 7.5 centimeter. Next one, we want to find out a image distance. So here we consider that a mirror equation. In mirror equation, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So this one is a mirror equation. Okay, we want to find out the image distance. So that's why, so formula 1 by v is equal to 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Okay, so here 1 by v is equal to 1 divided by f value minus 7.5 minus 1 by u, 1 divided by object distance minus 10. Is okay, so this reason here we consider that LCM 7.5 into 10, 75. Okay, and here into 10 into 7.5. So this reason 1 by v is equal to minus 2.5 divided by 7.5 into 10. Here we consider that a negative sign. So 7.5 into 10. Okay, so here 1 by v is equal to 1 divided by 30 is, so here 2.5 divided by, so 30. So this reason 1 divided by 30. Okay, so this one negative. So negative means, so here v is equal to minus 30 centimeter. V is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Okay, so this minus indicates is, so image formed in front of a mirror. Image is formed in front of a mirror. So this reason here we will get a v is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So this one is opposite to the incident ray. It means here we get somewhere, suppose here we get a image. So this image distance from mirror v is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, so this one here in negative order. Why? Because it is present in front of a mirror it means opposite to the incident ray. Okay, and here we want to find out a magnification value. Okay, so here we get image distance V is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Next one, so magnification. So magnification M is equal to minus V divided by U. M is equal to minus V divided by U. Okay, so this reason here image distance minus 30, object distance minus 10 S, so magnification M. Okay, so here minus 30 divided by minus 10, it means here we get a magnification value 3, so M is equal to 3, so magnification value we consider that 3. Okay, so this reason, so magnification value 3 means greater than 1. So greater than 1 means if a magnification value is greater than 1, so size of a image is larger than the size of a object. Size of a image is larger than the size of a object. And here we get image distance. So image distance, it is in a negative order. Image distance, it is in a negative order. So this reason, so image form in front of a mirror. So this image we consider that a real and a inverted image. Real and a inverted image. Okay, so here minus, it means magnification minus, and this reason here also we consider that minus. Okay, so greater than 1, if you consider that modulus greater than 1, it means a size of image is greater than size of a object. Okay, so here image formed in front of a mirror, one condition, so position. And here nature, so nature means so this image is a real image. So real, it means always inverted, real and inverted, and a magnification, so magnification value minus 3. So magnification value minus 3. So position, it means image form in front of a mirror, and nature we consider that real and inverted, and magnification value minus 3. Okay. Okay, our next problem. A object is placed 5 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of a radius of curvature 15 centimeter. Find the position, nature and magnification of the image. Okay, same problem, but object distance changes. If object distance changes, then image distance and nature of image both are changes. Okay, here first one we consider that a concave mirror, and this one is a principal axis, and this one is center of curvature. So given data, so radius of curvature is a 15 centimeter, so R is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, next one, object position. So object position is a 5 centimeter from a concave mirror. Okay, so before we place the object, first we will know the we will find out the focal length. So focal length, a simple formula. So F is equal to R divided by 2. So R will 15 and divided by 2 means 7.5. Okay, so this one is a negative. Why? Because so this one is a concave mirror, so this reason, so this one we consider that a negative. Why? Because if distance measured from a pole of a mirror, so that's why here principal focus F from principal focus to pole of a mirror, so that one is minus 7.5 centimeter. Okay, next one, object distance. So object distance 5 centimeter. Object distance is 5 centimeter. U is equal to 5 centimeter from a pole of a mirror. Okay, when object placed in between F and P position, object placed in between F and P position, then now we will get image another side of a mirror. Another side of a mirror. So this one is a virtual and a erect image. Yes. Okay, so here given data. So first one is the object distance. U is equal to minus 5 centimeter. Why? Because in front of a mirror, it means opposite to the incident ray. And the focal length minus 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so here we want to calculate magnification. So magnification, M is equal to minus V divided by U. So V means image distance, U means object distance. So this reason first we want to find out the image distance. So this reason focal length is there, object distance is there, we want to find out image distance. So that's why here we consider that mirror formula 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Okay, so 1 by V is equal to 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Minus 1 by U. So this reason 1 divided by V, 1 divided by minus 7.5 minus 1 divided by object distance minus 5. Okay, so that's way into minus 5 into minus 7.5. So this reason minus 5 plus 7.5 divided by, so 7.5 into 5. Okay, 1 by V, and here we get V is equal to, otherwise 1 by V is equal to 1 by 15 is. Okay, so here we get a 1 by 15. It means V is equal to 15. V is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, V is equal to 15 centimeter. So this one is a positive value. V is equal to 15 centimeter. It means from pole of a mirror to image distance we consider that a 15 centimeter. So this one is a positive. It means a positive means so here we get a image another side of a mirror. Another side of a mirror. So this distance measured along the incident ray. So this reason, so here image distance we consider that a positive. Okay, so here we get a image. V is equal to plus 15 centimeter. Next one, magnification value. So magnification. So magnification is equal to minus V divided by U. Minus V divided by U. Okay. Magnification V is equal to, magnification V is equal to V. Magnification M is equal to minus V divided by U. Okay, so V is equal to 15 minus as it is. So image distance 15 and object distance minus 5. Yes, so this reason here, so M is equal to V by U. Okay, magnification M is equal to minus as it is, image distance 15 and object distance minus 5. It means plus 3. So magnification value is plus 3. So plus 3 means it is greater than 1. So greater than 1 means object image, size of image is greater than the size of a object. Size of image is greater than the size of a object, and this magnification value we consider that a positive. So positive Yes, so this reason, so this image is virtual and erect. In the last problem, so magnification value is a -3. Yes, so minus sign indicates inverted, opposite to the object. It means opposite direction to the object. So this reason, so last problem, so magnification value is a -3. In this problem, magnification value is a +3. Okay, so this image we consider that virtual and erect. Virtual and erect, and position of image another side of a mirror. Okay, so our next question, a 4.5 centimeter needle is placed 12 centimeter away from a convex mirror. In last problem we consider that a concave mirror, so here convex mirror of a focal length 15 centimeter, given the location of the image and the magnification, describe what happens as the needle is moved further from the mirror. Yes, so here the first one we want to find out a location of a image. It means image distance, and the magnification. It means a magnification value. And another one, describe what happens as the needle is moved further from the mirror. It means when this needle is moved further from the mirror, then what happens? So image is moved towards the focal length. Image moves towards the focal length but never crosses the focal length. It means principal focus. Suppose a convex mirror, inner surface is opaque, and an object placed 12 centimeter from a mirror. So this one is object. It is placed 12 centimeter from a mirror, and height of object. So height of object is equal to 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. Object distance minus 12 centimeter, and here we consider that principal focus, capital F, and a focal length 15 centimeter. Focal length is 15 centimeter. Okay. So here given data, first one is a height of a object is 4.5 centimeter. Height of object 4.5 centimeter, and image distance, object distance minus 12 centimeter. Object distance 12 centimeter. And another one is a focal length, F is equal to, so focal length already given that 15 centimeter. In convex mirror, so focal length we consider that positive. In concave mirror, so focal length is a negative. Okay, so this one is a convex mirror is there, so this reason, so focal length we consider that 15 centimeter. Next one, we want to find out a location of a image. So location of image means, so here image distance, we want to find out the image distance. And the magnification. Okay, so magnification. So magnification means M. And describe what happens as the needle is moved further from the mirror. So that's one is a second thing. Okay, so here first we want to find out the image distance. So this reason here we consider that mirror equation. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Okay, so 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. So F value, focal length 15 centimeter minus 1 by, so object distance minus 12. Okay, so minus into minus, so plus. Directly we consider that 1 by 15 plus 1 by 12. So LCM 1 by V is equal to LCM 60. Okay, so 60 and 12 fours and here 5 is. Okay, so this reason here 4 plus 5 is, so 4 plus 5, so 4 plus 5 9 divided by, so this one is 60 is 9 by 60, it means 3 divided by 20 is, so 3 divided by 20, it means 3 divided by 20, so 3 divided by 20 means 6.67. okay, 6.67. so this one is a positive. Why here we consider that a positive? So image is formed beyond the mirror. So this one is along the direction of incident ray, along the direction of incident ray. So this reason, so this one we consider that a positive. Okay, sorry, V is equal to plus 6.67. okay, so image distance is 6.67. so this one is a virtual image. So this one is a virtual image and erect. Virtual and erect image. Okay, next one, magnification. So magnification M is equal to minus V divided by U. Okay, so M, magnification M is equal to V divided by U. So V, object distance 6.67 divided by image distance minus 12 is, so this reason here we just multiply with 3 is, so 3 into 6.67, so that's one we consider that 23 into minus 12. So this reason here 5 by 9. Okay, so magnification value 5 by 9. Okay, so magnification value 5 by 9, and here we want to find out suppose height of a image. Why? Because so here given that a height of a object, and we want to find out, suppose in case height of a image, it means another one formula is there. So magnification is equal to height of image to the height of a object. Okay, suppose we want to find out a height of a image. So height of image is equal to, height of image is equal to magnification into height of a object. So this reason, so magnification value 5 by 9 and the height of a object. So height of a object is 4.5. So this reason here height of a image 4.5 2.5. Okay, so here height of image is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so here image distance, so image distance is plus 6.67. so this one is a virtual and erect image, and image formed beyond the mirror, so object and this one is image. So image form beyond the mirror, and magnification value 5 by 9, and height of image 2.5 centimeter. So describe what happens as the needle is moved further from a mirror. Okay, when object move further from the mirror and image moved in front of a focus, but it never crosses a focus. It never crosses a focus. Okay.